Hi, this is Ron from 724 Support TV. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and disassembly of the new Rosewill 9000 White keyboard, as well as installation of new keycaps from WASD keyboards in California. Let's start with the Rosewill. This particular one has cherry brown switches, the tactile version, and it's white, so let's see what's inside. I'm going to get some technical specifications, which fundamentally is a picture of the key switches, the keyboard, and the operating force necessary. And it's compatible with Microsoft ME. So if you're using Microsoft ME, you're in good shape. You know, you have other issues in your life, but there's that. And here's the keyboard. One of the complaints that's often been lodged against the Rosewill 9000 is that it has two things. One, it didn't have a PS2 connector on its cable, and two, the separate keyboard cable just came out arbitrarily or broke. So they've solved that problem by providing both a both a USB and a PS2 whole keyboard cord. For this test, I'm going to go ahead and use the PS2, but I'll test both cables just to make sure that they do in fact work. And nicely wrapped, it's the white Rosewill mechanical keyboard. Nice balance between tactile and noise. Can feel the white lettering on the black keys as if it's been pad printed. Micro mini USB connector for the keyboard. The reason you'd want a PS2 is that generates N key rollover as opposed to just 6 key rollover. So if you're gaming or typing like a demon, not wonderful, but not really terrible. It's a nice, thin, braided, fabric braided actually. It's actually quite a nice, if it'll focus, nice keyboard, cable anyhow. And there are two of them, and they're 6 feet long. So I've tested all the keys using the Linux program XEV as well as Notepad, and every single key and modifier works just fine. So out of the box, it works great. I'll now do using a Notepad, the double shift. Wow, full N key rollover. So that's a test. I hold Bell Shift keys down and type. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, and got every single key. That's the best keyboard I've ever seen taking that test. So good job, Rosewill. On to the next step. Time for some close-up look. Definitely can feel the keys. The keystrokes are quite nice. Had a really good result on the double modifier test. But here is the keyboard label. So made in Taiwan. So I think that's a good sign. This right now I'm thinking is, well, if it's painted, it's very well painted. So points to you for that. And we're done. We've got a complete set of WASD keycaps installed on our Rosewill 9000 white keyboard. These are for our piano playing PP engineering, thus the piano keyboard design, which hopefully you and he will be able to see. These are the colors available from WASD. They can be either laser engraved as ours were, or etched straight in, although that's a much more subtle slash ninja kind of approach. Anyhow, not bad, took about a half an hour, and I think the effect is really good. Hopefully he likes it. I like the keyboard. It's nice, it feels good, and it works very well.